Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can batch edit photos in PhotoRoom. So batch editing mode has just been added to the PhotoRoom app, so the first thing before we get into the tutorial is you need to make sure that you have the latest version of the PhotoRoom app. So go into your App Store or Google Play Store and just make sure to update it to the latest version so you get this batch mode editing tool option. Then once you've done that, just open the PhotoRoom app and go to the batch mode option and click on start batch. Now literally all you need to do is select any amount of photos you want, for example 5, just like this. Click on add and it's literally just right now adding all those photos. And literally right now what you can do is just get over to this tab, and for example I want to remove the background of those 5 photos. Then literally all we do is click on transparent, just like this for example. It's now just removing the background, as you guys can see, of all those photos. And then all we need to do is click on export 5 images, and then you will literally be able to save them to your camera roll. Do know that if you want to do this, it is unfortunately a premium feature, so you need to get premium. But yeah, that's basically how you can batch edit photos in PhotoRoom. So if you learned something from this video, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.